Let's guys, today I am in ZOMBONK, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get a lot of ammo for like totally free. And a YouTuber taught me this. I watched so I'm gonna teach you guys. First, you want to get a good gun, as you can see. Alright, so you gotta go into a private server, and then you see these boxes. They're always laying around here, and then you can just you can just, they're always guaranteed to get in here, so you could just it's always guaranteed to get it's always a guaranteed for every mart. There'll be boxes in every single mart. So yeah, so every mart always has 2 boxes. And then you go to this mart, get the stuff, and then you just basically just run out of that. Oh yeah, I gotta eat this. So you're guaranteed to find some ammo on the ground. So yeah. And if you want them to respawn, just go into another private server, like a random one. A random private server. And they'll be guaranteed always spawning at around 5 seconds. And that's how you get free ammo. Yippee. Wait, we gotta. Right. So, yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys that if you join a new private server, they'll be guaranteed somewhere there, always at the mart. So wait, let me go check. Can find it. Yeah, it's right there. There'll be guaranteed stuff to find that you can find. So that's all the tips and tricks that you can get free ammo on. Yippee! Peace, ya guys.